insulated jacket, and on top of that, I've got a North Face waterproof, wind-resistant shell and beanie. This is like really cool. Anyways, you know, packing light today because it's like a little too mile high, so I'm going to go, right? But it is cold, you guys, in the wind. Man, it is strong. Okay, you guys, so it started getting really windy. Pro tip, always pack a pair of glasses in your bag or in your car because they come in handy when it's like a really windy hike like this one. You could just throw them on and it'll protect your eyes. So I like these Ray-Bans. I always kind of have them in my backpack. It's muddy here. Not even that muddy. Just to get to the edge. The edge is right there because the winds are so strong and I really don't want to. It's really windy. So yeah. Hey guys, I know it's super extremely windy, but over here I was just simply saying that I'm on my way back to the car, so I really wasn't going to record much of the going back to the car. Anyways, super windy and I'm so sorry about that. So you guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, please make sure to hit that like button because it greatly helps me. It helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. Thank you. Aren't they so wonderful? Off we go. I decided to stay so dark in Portland. Tube, I lied. I took a slight detour. Because my God. Tube, I lied. I took a slight detour. Just my God. Because my God. Just my God. I have no words. Except what a beautiful day, you guys. Absolutely beautiful day. And all of a sudden the wind calmed down. I'm not sure what mountain that is, but I think it might be Mount Hood. We've got another mountain over there, but we can't see it because it's over the hill. And I wanted to look at this. Wow. Man, you guys, get out there. Get out there, enjoy nature, enjoy whatever local park that you guys have. Every single state is beautiful in its own right. Go out there and go explore, because when I tell you that there's just so much beauty, and it's okay if you're not a traveler. I don't really have money to spend and travel, but you know, there's just so much out there to explore on a budget-friendly budget, you know. Just get out there, you guys. You will not regret it at all. You could go out there and explore and be it like friendly. What's that word called? It be budget friendly. You don't have to go out there and go travel to another country, you know, like how you guys see on Instagram and stuff. I get it, that stuff is not realistic, but there's just so much to look at in your own state where you live at. Like, you would be surprised. I'm not kidding. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these views. If you guys are, please make sure to hit the like button for me because it really helps out. And I guess let's come along with me on next time's adventure, and we'll see what trouble we get ourselves into. Yeah? Let's do a 360 for you guys so I can remember this moment forever. Oh man. See, Mount Hood, pretty sure it's Mount Hood. Not right here, I think, because we're in Washington. Yeah, you guys. Thanks for coming along. Bye. Hi, Cheese Ball. We love you. And off he went into the horizon. Hey, you guys, right here. I was just basically saying goodbye, but I have music in the background and I don't want to get a copyright warning on here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.